Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Mudassir Mirchal here from SRM Belkin. So my dear students, we are today going to talk about control and coordination in animals, particularly in human beings. We know that control and coordination in human beings and in all higher organisms, higher animals, I mean to say, it's coordinated or it's maintained by two main systems, one of which is nervous system. Sorry if it is not visible, I may write it by the another marker. So one of the systems is nervous system and another system being the endocrine system. Endocrine system. So these are the two main systems which are working for control and coordination. So we shall talk about both of them, nervous system as well as endocrine. But once we are done with the nervous system, then we will talk about the endocrine. Before coming to the nervous system in detail, we shall give you some introduction about the nervous system and the endocrine. How do they work? What is the mechanism of action? Let's have a brief idea. So nervous system works on the basis of electrical impulses. What electrical impulses actually are? They are the electric currents. And electric currents generated in the living bodies are called as electrical impulses. Now the next system which we will talk about, it is the endocrine system, and this is working on the basis of some chemical messengers which are generally called hormones. Now, the hormones are the basis of action for the endocrine system, and nervous system works on the basis of electrical impulses, as I have already told you. Now, we are going to talk about nervous system in detail today. So, let's talk about the nervous system. Nervous system, as I already told you, it works on the basis of electrical impulses. It works on the basis of electrical impulses. Number one, it has already been told to you. Now, number second is that nervous system is more rapid. So, it is rapid. Number three, the nervous impulses, the transmission of nervous impulses is directional. There is a specific direction. So, nervous impulses are directional. So that means they move in a specific direction. So we will talk about that, how and in which direction. There are certain nerves which take the message from the brain to the effector organs, and there are some other nerves which take the message from the sensory organ to the brain. So that is what I mean by directional. Now, the nervous system, the functional unit of this nervous system is the neuron. But let me tell you one thing, nervous system is basically made of two main types of cells. As you have gone through the nervous tissue in your 9th class, so you may understand it better, but let's have a quick recap of that as well. So there are two types of cells in the nervous system. One of the types of those cells is neuron. Neuron is a type of cell present in the brain and spinal cord and all the parts of the nervous system. And it's also called as nerve cell. Nerve cell. Both the names are used in the books in references. And another type of cell which is found in the particular nervous system, it is the glia cell. It's also called as neuroglia cell. Neuroglia cell. Now the neuron, in today's lecture, what I would like to do is, I will talk about the neuron in detail. Let's talk about neuron. Neuron is a branched cell. When you talk about the types of cell in the 9th class, we say some cells are branched. So this is one of the examples of those cells which are branched. So it's a neuron. It has the main part called as body. Let me draw the body of the neuron. This is also called as cyton. And from the cyton, as I have already shown here, from the body of the particular neuron, we are going to talk about that, there arise many extensions. Let me talk about these extensions and the cyton first. This cyton is also called as cell body. So this is the cell body, what we call as cyton, the main part of the cell. And in this cyton there is a nucleus. There is a nucleus, also called the boss of the cells. And in this there is the cytoplasm, as many of the cells are having the cytoplasm. So neuron is also having. Within the cytoplasm, there are small granules. Let me draw those granules here. So there are some granules, and these granules are called as Nissls granules. Nissls granules. Nissls granules is the name which is following the particular name of that scientist who discovered it actually. So these are the Nissls granules. If we talk about these Nissls granules in a bit detail, these are the particular basophilic granules. These are the basophilic granules. These are the basophilic granules. What do you mean by basophilic granules? Basophil means it accepts the dye which is basic in nature. Okay? In the Nissls granules, what actually they are, what's the nature of them? They are the granules of endoplasmic reticulum and ribosomes. So we are done with the particular Nissls granules and cytoplasm and the nucleus. What are the parts of cyton? What about these extensions? These extensions are generally called dendrites. These extensions actually are called as dendrites. These are short extensions. There is one more extension in it. That's long, and that's called as axon. Let me draw the axon here. You can draw it freehand, straight, curve, or whatsoever you would like to do. Okay, so this is the axon. And axon ends with the axon terminals. So there are the axon terminals. There are the axon terminals. Every axon terminal ends with a node. It ends with a node, or we call it an axon and bulb, or we call it an axon and bulb. Now, axon is a long extension. It is also insulated. Why I use the word insulated? What the meaning of that insulation? It actually prevents the loss of signals, or I can say breakage of signals, or I can say leakage of signals. As the wires, the connecting wires here and there, they are insulated by a rubber covering. Similarly, neuron axon is also insulated by a sheath, by a covering. Let me draw that first. Let me draw it. So this is a particular, what we can say, covering which insulates the particular axon, and this is made of a white shiny material called as myelin. This is a white shiny material called myelin. So this is the insulation of the neuron, axon of the neuron. Now this is myelin sheath. We call it myelin sheath. And this myelin sheath actually is secreted by a particular cell which is called a Schwann cell. Let me draw a Schwann cell here so that it will be quite easy to understand. Actually here is a Schwann cell which has secreted the myelin which has covered the particular axon. So this is the myelin secreting cell which is called as Schwann cell. label it so that it will be quite easy. So it is the Schwann cell. Again, following the name of that scientist who discovered the cell actually. Now, so far what we have discussed, there is a cell body, it is the cytosol, it has the cytoplasm, along with the Nissen's granules. These are the special bodies present in them. These are basophilic in nature, that means they accept the basic dye, alkaline dye, and then they are actually the endoplasmic reticulum and ribosomes of the cell, and there are small extensions in the cytosol, and these extensions are called as dendrites, and there is one long extension. That long extension actually is called as axon. The site from which the axon starts is called as axon hillock. Let me label that. So this is the place from where the particular axon starts. So it is axon hillock. Axon hillock. Now, based on these particular neurons, these extensions of the neuron, neurons are of many types. So neurons are classified. Let me talk about the classification of neuron after we are done with this. Let me repeat a few things. So axon is a particular long extension of the particular axon, and it is insulated by the myelin sheath. It is the white shiny material which is secreted by Schwann cells, and every axon ends with the particular axon terminals, and axon terminals have the knobs or bulb-like structures which are generally called axon and bulbs, or we generally call them knobs or bulbs. We are done with this. Now, this is the axon, this is a particular neuron, and let me tell you one important thing. Neurons do not divide. Neurons never divide, because as we have done the particular tissue chapter in your 9th class, and you may know cells are of two types. One is typical stem cell, and another one is a specialized cell. Whenever the cell becomes specialized, that's called as differentiation. After the differentiation, cell loses the ability to divide. Therefore, in that case, neurons don't divide. There is a tumor in case of the particular brain and any other neural tissue, but that is not because of the uncontrolled cell division of neuron. That is because of other cells. They are going to talk about them later on. So we are done with the structure of the neuron. What does the neuron do? And now let's talk about the classification of neuron. Now we will break it.